Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about something really exciting, the all new KC Solar Charge Hub. This product is a game changer and has created a brand new category for us here at KC. I'm really excited to show you what this thing has to offer. So with that being said, in this video, we're gonna be covering features and benefits, what comes in it when you buy it, so what's in the box, as well as some bonus optional accessories for your setup. And then last but not least, we're gonna be showcasing some real world applications for the Solar Charge Hub. All right, I'm Jacob, let's get started. Let's jump right in and talk about what makes this product special. The Solar Charge Hub is a portable, simple, and weather-sealed solution to use the power of the sun to charge your 12-volt battery system. So now you have a basic understanding of what this product is, let's go ahead and explore its features. At the heart of this rugged aluminum housing is a Victron MPPT unit. This unit is the key to safely charging your batteries, ensuring you avoid the potential pitfalls of connecting a solar panel directly to your batteries. The MPPT protects both your batteries and your solar panels while also allowing you to view the charging process on your phone. On the hub itself, you'll find 3 SAE ports. One goes directly to your battery, another one goes directly to your solar panel, and the last one is actually a 12-volt accessory out, which we'll get into a little bit later. This case is also IP67 weather sealed, so it can really handle anything you throw at it. That being said, it also has magnetic feet, so that gives you a ton of mounting options, which we'll also get into a little bit later. So now that you know what the Solar Charge Hub is all about, let's get into the unboxing. The Solar Charge Hub is available in a BYOB or build your own bundle, but for this part of the video, we're gonna be talking only about what comes with the Solar Charge Hub itself. So with that being said, we're filming this a little bit early. We don't have the production boxes handy just yet. However, they fit perfect inside of a cover keeper bag, and that's how we've actually been using this for quite some time now. So that's what we're gonna be using today. Starting right off, obviously, it comes with the KC Solar Charge Hub. It comes with the magnetic feet pre-installed. Comes with it, okay? The next couple things it's gonna come with is gonna be some different SAE cord configurations. So we're gonna run through these with a brief description of what they're for. Okay, so the first one I'm pulling is a ring terminal. So this is for you to permanently mount ring terminals on an SAE connection for the Solar Charge Hub. This is a good use case if you wanna permanently mount this or permanently have a better way of mounting it so you don't have to connect to the battery every time. Okay, what else do we got? Okay, alligator clamps. This is exactly what it looks like. If you've ever done a trickle charger, this is pretty much the way to do it. Alligator clips. This is for a very temporary and portable way to charge your battery and connect to your battery. Okay, comes with those. Okay, and then it comes with some SAE to MC4 connections. This is gonna be for your solar panels. You'll notice it's not a very long connection. So we'll explain that in a sec. And then the next two things, the last things it comes with, are gonna be 2 very long SAE to SAE extension cords. So what these are used for is, let's say you wanna put this in the back of your vehicle or somewhere weird or somewhere on a table or something. You can use one of these to connect directly to your battery, and then another one of these to connect and extend out your solar panel. So let's say you're in a really heavily wooded area. You could even use 2 of these if you wanted and really reach that solar panel out really far and get it to a well-lit area. That's what these are for. So it comes with 2 of these. And that's everything it comes with. So now that you know everything it comes with, let's talk about some of those bonus accessories and how you can make this work even better for your setup. We mentioned before that the KC Solar Charge Hub can come as a BYOB or build your own bundle. With that being said, we have a few KC accessories that pair very nicely with this. So let's start with number 1, the solar panel. This is a portable 150 watt, ultra rugged, ultra durable solar panel from Sunflare. So we partnered with Sunflare on this thing. It's amazing. It has adjustable stands on both sides. Obviously this folds open on both sides so you can adjust it depending on where the sun's sitting. It also has a nice pouch to keep all of your MC4 plugs hidden away when you're not using it. This thing's awesome. Okay, so another accessory is gonna be the hard mount option. This is really where the magnetic feet on this thing can shine. This thing is neat. It has a ton of different ways to actually mount this to a vehicle or to a trailer or however you want to mount this. It also comes with these MOLLE anchors as well. So if you want to hook this up to a MOLLE panel, you can. The cool thing about this, like I was saying with the magnetic feet, is this is obviously steel. So let's say you have an aluminum roof rack. Magnets don't work with aluminum. However, you can hard mount this directly to your cross rails on your roof rack, and then, sorry, it kind of pinches your fingers because it's very strong magnets, but now you have still a portable way to hard mount something. So let's say you're bouncing in between your truck and your trailer. You can have this mounted on your, you can have two of these brackets, one on your roof rack on your truck, one on your trailer. All you have to do is unplug everything, and then you just take the magnets off and put it on your trailer. This thing is awesome and really shows how the magnetic feet can be very versatile. The other cool thing this thing has, you can actually take off these magnet feet. And what's cool about that is on the other side of this is some countersunk holes. Comes with obviously some countersunk screws, so you can also hard mount this directly to something if you need a little bit extra security. However, those magnets are not going anywhere. So let me put this back and then we'll go into the next and final accessories. So those are the accessories that KC offers at the moment. However, don't forget about that 12-volt out SAE plug. This allows you to use a ton of already available SAE connections. Something like this we found on the internet. Some 12-volt SAE to cigarette lighters, or some SAE plugs directly to USB. These are super cool. There's a ton of crazy things online that you can already purchase that would work for this out of the box. Okay, so now that you know the optional accessories, let's talk about some real world use cases on how you can use a solar charge hub for your setup. Let's get into a few real world examples of how you can use a solar charge hub on your setup. So the easiest way to really figure out how to use this thing is think of it like a portable trickle charger. You can be able to trickle charge wherever you are as long as there's a little bit of sun. That being said, I'm gonna build a scenario out for you. Let's say you're going out to take your razor out and you wanna make sure your trailer is charged by the time you get back, whether that's gonna be for a winch or run lights, whatever you need to do, you wanna make sure that 12-volt battery is fully charged and ready to go when you are. So what you can do is you can actually set this up on your trailer, connect it directly to the battery, set up your solar panels, go rip around on your razor all day. When you come back at night, your battery will be topped off and ready to go. One example. Another example, let's go back to razors. Let's say you're out at the dunes and you're gonna get ready for a night run. So all day you're in your trailer and you're just kind of waiting for nighttime to happen. During that time, instead of running a generator to charge your razor, you can actually just hook this directly up to your razor and just charge it all day. That's the cool thing about this. It's a portable trickle charger. Another cool feature too is if you're looking for a more permanent solution, you can actually hard mount this to your roof or roof rack or anything like that. Because this is already weather sealed, you don't have to worry about doing extra weather sealing to it or doing anything like that. It comes out of the box ready to be hammered. This actually lived on the side of my truck during an entire trail, this exact one, just to test it and see if it would first off stick, but also clean up nice and still work. It worked just fine, and my coworker, our engineer, actually has had this hard mounted on his roof for I think 4 or 5 months now, and it still works beautifully. And his was a prototype version too. So this is a cool feature. If you want to hard mount this and make this a permanent solution, this can be a permanent solution. The other cool feature as well is, let's say you're someone like me who already has a full solar setup with a second battery and all that good stuff. My solar panels only charge my house battery. They don't charge my starter battery. So keeping this around and just keeping this in my case or throwing it in a KC cover keeper bag, keeping it in the truck at all times, I can actually reroute my wire or my solar panel that's on my tent already to charge through this to charge my start battery. So in the unfortunate event of if my truck dies, whether I leave a door open or whatever it is at camp, I will have a way to at least trickle charge and make sure my battery is topped off, which I think is really cool and a really, really handy feature. And that wraps it up. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll make sure to get to them as soon as I can. With that being said, see you guys, thank you for watching. Until next time, remember to adventure further.